Welcome back. Now, in some cases, you are going to want to be able to edit your notes in your iPhone before you are able to use it on your desktop. And so in order to do that, you can go right back into the same application, which is your Notes application. You'll open up that application. Once you do that, you're going to find the note that you are working on. And then you'll be able to edit the document as you would any other. And that means then that once you place your finger inside of the actual document, you're going to notice that your keyboard is going to come up. And then you'll be able to use the keyboard as you would any other. Now, if you want to move the cursor around, what you'll need to do is you'll need to press your keyboard until you see the letters disappear, and then you can guide the cursor to where you want it to be. Or you can sometimes even use it to highlight things. So once you have your cursor where you want it, what you'll then do is you'll release the keyboard, and then you'll be able then to use the normal keyboard commands. Now, this can be a little challenging. And so if you find that using your fingers or using your hands in order to edit documents can be a challenge, there is another application that may make this easier. It's called the Dragon Naturally Speaking application that's made for dictation and allows you to edit the same document with your voice. The Notes application inside of the native Apple application will not allow you to edit your documents with your voice. You'll need to use your hands in order to do so. So in the next video, we are going to open up the Dragon Naturally Speaking app so that we can begin editing our documents with our voice. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.